Oh, you didn't back? Mm-hmm. It's okay. It's okay. Let's continue. You don't worry. I will type to you everything on the Skype. You can take the notes. I can't see you, Avery. It's okay. Next time you can prepare that. Okay, so today we will go start from because you know numbers, we will go through the new words first. For Chinese to express the time, we'd like to use numeral and plus this word 点 diǎn. Diǎn actually means point. This is diǎn, point. But when we express the time, because the time in the clock there are so many points, right? So we call them as 点 and 点 is a measure word for hour, and so we call 点. And 分 means minute. So let's try to do some exercise. I will give you some numbers. I ask, you answer. 几点? 几点 means what time? 几点? Can you try to see that? 七 yeah, 七点 yeah, just use numbers to plus 点. So I will ask you questions here. 几点 that means what time now? And you please use number plus 点 to answer me, okay? Let's try. 几点? Yeah, very good.
Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Leave your comments below to tell us what topics you want to learn next. Don't forget to click down below to subscribe to our channel. We have new videos coming out every week. Thanks for watching and see you next time. 再见。